moving on. Our next one, this is called a cervical traction device. This inflatable pillow. So it rolls up, it's got a little blood pressure cuff.
Why would you want to use cervical traction pillow?
So for people who have degenerative disc disease, herniated discs, and things that are chronic like that, the weight of the day and just gravity over time, it can really settle. I've got actually a model that I can show you.
Good. See some imaging.
So as your weight of your head goes throughout the day, it really can start to compress a lot of these discs in here, and these nerves can get trapped, and that can cause a lot of damage. It can cause a lot of discomfort as these nerves start to get compressed throughout the day. So the idea of traction, or lifting and kind of separating the head, is that you open everything up. So this is a nice healthy neck, and you can see there's not a lot of space in those joints there as it is naturally. So something like cervical traction can really help alleviate tension headaches, kind of loosen some sore muscles, and can alleviate, for me, it actually alleviates when I get burning pain down my arms at the end of the day. So this thing, would you like to be the model?
I would love to be the model.
Alright, so you go ahead and put it
my hand white for me.
So you go ahead and put it around, and this has two little Velcro things, so I'll help you there, because this is your first time doing it.
I'm a rookie.
And two. There you go. And you're going to pump it up just to where you feel a little tiny bit of traction there. And once you feel just a gentle tug there, then you're going to stop.
Well, I can handle more, but I'll stay right there.
Just go to just a gentle pull. You don't want to stretch it all the way out. And then after about 5 minutes, you'll leave it once your muscles don't feel like they're being stretched anymore, and you just feel like you're in a nice relaxed position at this point. You can go ahead and give it 1 to 2 more pumps and give it just a little extra traction. You want to use this for no more than 15 minutes. So
stretching ligaments or muscles?
This is stretching muscles, yes.
Okay.
And it also is taking a little bit of the strain off of the discs and the nerve roots as they exit.
Perfect.
But you don't use it for more than 15 minutes, because once your muscles relax, you don't want to risk stretching the ligaments because the muscles are there to help support. So, and then if you have any other connective tissue disorder like Ehlers-Danlos syndrome or any other problems with your ligaments, please check with your doctor before doing traction, or your healthcare provider.
Should you start like with a lower time and then see how you do and move it up?
Right, and you can start with, like 5 minutes if that's more comfortable.
Cool.
And please stop immediately if you get ringing in your ears, or if you're feeling dizzy or nauseous when using something like this.
Yeah.
But otherwise, you're good to go.
It's just for humans or for animals too?
I suppose you could try it on an animal, but my dog is ginormous, so she has
the only thing usually, I said, I'm out here.
Right.
It might take me out.
And if you want, you can use that, because I know it's comfy. It looks silly, but once you try it on,
you can actually fall asleep with this.
Yeah, it feels really good. So don't let the look of it dissuade you.
You realize that over time these things will change, these products, or they'll become more person-friendly, look-friendly, so they adjust products all the time based on what the consumer wants.
Yes, this is true. So
light blue, though, was my favorite color.
Yes, they have it in a couple different colors. I like this one, and I linked this specific one to our website. Because some of the other ones are just completely flat, whereas this one has bigger compression on the back and smaller in the front.
It actually opens up this way, separate your neck up, so you feel more distracted, taking pressure of gravity off your head.
Right, and so this one is a little bit more anatomically correct, because as it expands, it kind of opens from the back like this, rather than straight forward like some of the other ones. So this one's actually FDA approved.
Wow.
That one's linked in the store. And while we're on neck things, my next little device here is called a total pillow. This little guy is a flexible pillow, or you trapped.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you.
There you go. Take it off.